I was about to tell you about Chiron and how Chiron behaves in each of the 12 star signs or in each of the 12 houses, but then I realized, well, I'm going to give to these people the same knowledge that everybody else does. Because if you go on Google and you Google it, you can get all the information you need. Therefore, I'm going to tell you the logic behind it. So, in the previous video, I spoke about Chiron and what it represents in astrology. So, in astrology, is the wounded healer, and its superpower is also the weakness. In the case of Chiron, as I said there, in short, he was the healer, but he was not able to heal himself, making that as his superpower and weakness. In astrology, we have each star signs. If you know a little bit of astrology, each star signs you know that has some good and not so good traits. We like to talk in astrology as the good traits being associated with an evolved star sign, and the negative or not so positive traits are associated with the unevolved star sign. For example, an unevolved Aries would be aggressive, would be unfocused, would be unhealthy, competitive, and so on. But an evolved Aries would be a great leader, an inspiring type of person, inspirational type of person, whatever. He leads people and he makes people succeed. So there are two different type of things, right? And Chiron, I think, is the perfect example on how these characteristics work, because in fact, when Chiron is in Aries, for example, or in the first house, we took Aries as an example. It was just a coincidence. Next time I'll do others. So in case of Chiron in Aries or in the first house, the wounds are about being aggressive, stubborn, not listening, being unhealthy, competitive, or not willing to compete, while the power, the superpower, is being a leader, inspiring people, making the best out of people, to self-express and to make the most out of their potential. So essentially, a Chiron positioned in a star sign or in a house, it represents that the positive traits of that star sign are essentially the superpower that Chiron is giving you, and the not so positive traits of that star sign are the wounds that you need to work on. I hope this helps, and please ask me what you would like to. Please tell me what you would like to hear next time. Which asteroid or planet would you like to be analyzed?